Happy birthday, Fellowship! So, turning on the camera doesn't work well. So I started watching you guys after the Boston live stream back, I don't even remember how far back, but I just remember that it was one of the first live streams, live shows, anything that I had ever watched. And all of a sudden, these people come up and they're like being really like funny and interesting, and they keep talking about this channel called Fellowship of the Ning. And so while I was watching this and simultaneously doing my homework, I looked up you guys' YouTube channel, and this was here, and it was really cool, and I really just love you guys' videos. You guys are just awesome, and it's just like you guys are like so just awesome and creative, and like you come from all these different places, and yet you come together and become really good friends, and it makes me really want to do something like this. I apologize for how many jump cuts are going to be in this video. This is literally probably the first thing I will ever post on YouTube. But yeah, just thank you guys for doing what you do. You are amazing people and amazingly creative and talented, and so yeah. Happy 2-year anniversary, and here's TGA.